Class 12 Chemical Kinetics MCQs 1. The study of reaction kinetics is called A. Rate of reaction, B. Mechanism of reaction, C. Factors which affect the rate of reaction, D. All of the mentioned. Answer D. 2. The reaction rate constant can be defined as the rate of reaction when each reactant's concentration is A. 0, B. Unity, C. Doubled the initial concentration, D. Infinite. Answer B. 3. Which of the following is the right temperature coefficient, N expression? A. N is equal to rate constant at T plus 10 degrees per rate constant at T degree. B. N is equal to rate constant at T plus 20 degrees per rate constant at T degree. C. N is equal to rate constant at T plus 30 degrees per rate constant at T degree. D. N is equal to rate constant at T plus 40 degrees per rate constant at T degree. Answer A. 4. When the temperature rises, what happens to the peak of the curve in the Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution graph? A. Shifts forward and upward. B. Shifts forward and downward. C. Shifts backwards and upward. D. Shifts backwards and downward. Answer B. 5. Plotting a graph between temperature and reaction rates can reveal the temperature dependence of reaction rates. A. Concentration of reactants and temperature. B. Concentration of products and temperature. C. Rate constant and temperature. D. Rate of catalysis and temperature. Answer C. 6. What effect does temperature have on the half-life of a first-order reaction? A. It increases. B. It decreases. C. It remains the same. D. Both increases as well as decrease. Answer B. 7. Only a simple homogeneous reaction requires which of the following methods? A. Integration method. B. Half-life period method. C. Graphical method. D. Ostwald's isolation method. Answer A. 8. In 30 minutes, a first-order reaction is 50% complete. Calculate the amount of time it took to complete 87.5% of the reaction. A. 30 minutes. B. 60 minutes. C. 90 minutes. D. 120 minutes. Answer C. 9. In a reaction, what is the driving force? A. Energy given. B. Energy released. C. Free energy. D. None of the mentioned. Answer C. 10. What is the heat of reaction for ethyl acetate hydrolysis? A. Greater than 0. B. Less than 0. C. 0. D. None of the mentioned. Answer C. For a reaction P plus Q to R plus S, the incorrect statement is A. Rate of disappearance of P is equal to rate of appearance of S. B. Rate of disappearance of Q is equal to 2x rate of appearance of R. C. Rate of disappearance of Q is equal to rate of disappearance of P. D. Rate of disappearance of Q is equal to 1 to x rate of appearance of R. Answer B. Rate of disappearance of Q is equal to 2x rate of appearance of R. 12. Instantaneous rate of a chemical reaction is A. Rate of reaction in the beginning. B. Rate of reaction at the end. C. Rate of reaction at a given instant. D. Rate of reaction between two specific time intervals. Answer C. Rate of reaction at a given instant. 13. For the reaction A plus to B C, rate is given by R is equal to A, B, to then the order of the reaction is A, 3, B, 6, C, 5, D, 7. Answer A, 3. 14. Order of reaction is decided by A. Temperature, B. Mechanism of reaction as well as relative concentration of reactants, C. Molecularity, D. Pressure. Answer B. Mechanism of reaction as well as relative concentration of reactants. 14. A zero-order reaction is one whose rate is independent of A. The concentration of the reactants, B. The temperature of reaction, C. The concentration of the product, D. The material of the vessel in which reaction is carried out. Answer A. The concentration of the reactants. 15. A catalyst increases the reaction rate by A. Decreasing enthalpy, B. Increasing internal energy, C. Decreasing activation enthalpy, D. Increasing activation enthalpy. Answer C. Decreasing activation enthalpy. 16. In a reaction, the threshold energy is equal to A. Activation energy plus normal energy of reactants, B. Activation energy, normal energy of reactants, C. Normal energy of reactants, activation energy, D. Average kinetic energy of molecules of reactants. Answer A. Activation energy plus normal energy of reactants. 17. Which of the following influences the reaction rate performed in a solution? A. Temperature, B. Activation energy, C. Catalyst, D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above.